So this is the daily Leetcode problem, and in this we have to count vowels string in range. Basically, we are given this string of words and this queries. So we have to, according to this query, we have to find vowels which start and ends with a vowel. For example, ABA, it is start and end with a vowel, so the count will be 1. For example, index will be 0 to 2. This is 0 to 2, and here we have two strings that start and end from the A. For example, this one and this one. So for the one query, this will be the answer, and for index 1 to index 4, for index 1 to index 4, these are the three strings that start and end with A. For example, this one, and for one there will be 0. So we have to return this. So the approach I will use here is the prefix sum. Means we will store a array for the prefix sum and then append it into the final result. So let's start the code. So firstly I can make a prefix int prefix uh, prefix new int word length, and prefix 0. Prefix, what will be the prefix 0? This we have to initialize means by hard code. Prefix 0 will be we have to initialize one function is vowel, means our first word will be vowel or not. That is the required is vowel string for the first word, and if it will return yes, then return 1, otherwise return 0. So let's build this like is vowel string boolean. Here boolean is vowel, we have to pass one string word, and for the first and last word we have to check if word is empty then return false. If word is empty then return false, else char first equal to word dot char at 0, common last equal to word dot char at dot length minus k1. Return is vowel. If first and last is vowel, also we have to make function first and last is vowel. Last we have to pass. Here we have to remember one thing. For example, is vowel, boolean is vowel. And here we have to remember one thing, like we will pass one carry, for instance first and last, and we have to check if that array will be in A, E, I or U. Dot index of, this is the function in Java, index of, if this character will be in A, E, I, O, U, then return 1, else if it will not be there then return minus k1. Okay, so till here our function is completed, and for now we will start from the index 1. Int I equal to I less than equal to words dot length, words dot length. So now we have to populate our prefix array. prefix of I equal to prefix of last prefix of I minus 1 and plus is vowel. Is vowel we have to check, like current, for the current word we have to check whether it will lie in is vowel or not, and based on that we will add 1 or 0. If is vowel is, we can paste it correctly. Is vowel of I and is vowel word of I, words of I, then we can add 1 or 0. Okay, and then return this one. Finally we can add in our result. So this is the thing, in result will be same as query length result, and this will be queries dot length. So this will be queries dot length and for and I equal to 0, I less than queries dot length, and I plus int L equal to, for the first query, for the query, and guys we have to copy and paste, it will be good, otherwise it will give error at last. So queries of 0 and are equal to queries of 1 and result of I equal to prefix R minus L greater than 0, prefix L minus 1, 0. Return result. This result I subtract based on the left and right indexes, because it will populate the correct like word according to this query. So here I get something mistake that I have to check. Prefix is vowel string words of I, 0. What is that? Unexpected. Okay, this one. Bracket is wrong, I think. Is vowel string words of I. Okay. Ternary condition is mistaken here. These are the small mistake. Queries. Okay, 0 comma I comma 0, I think. Yeah, I comma 0 and I comma 1. This is little bit tougher question, and this debugging is important, so you have to always take care of these small things. like while recording this video live. It is the longest video, I think. Okay, so thank you guys.